Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today we're standing here with our X20 with the upgraded Nibby car. So I'm going to show you how to do an idle adjust. This one's actually running perfectly. It's idling exactly where I want it. I've already warmed it up, so it should fire right up. So it's a little lower right now, but that's only because it's cold a little bit. It usually idles right around there. And that's where you want it to idle, about 1500. You hear the bike, it sounds perfect right there. And that's warmed up enough, and so it's idling at 1500 now. But if you do want to do an idle adjust on this bike, the great thing about Nibby is Nibby has actually just a finger adjuster on the side, so you can actually turn it yourself. Simply come down here. There it is. So you'll see the dial right on the side right here. So if I wanted to raise it to idle up, I would turn it clockwise. I'm just gonna put my hand in there like this. Let's turn it up a bit, just so you can see. So there, I've turned it up a bit. It's way too high. I don't want it that high. So I'm going to bring it back down to my 1500 where it was. It actually just quickly peek up at the dash. And there's my 1500